Welcome and welcome back to my channel, guys. It's BeeLashay here. So I'm going to be starting out with these duck tips. My nails are already prepped and I'm just going to get putting these on with my base coat and my foil glue. And I'll be right back when I have those on. These are linked in my storefront. I'm going in right now with my Macart foil glue. You guys know this is my favorite thing to use to do my pop-off base. Alright, so we got these duck nails all on. I'm about to go in with my Macart Bright White Polygel. This does give me issues, but we're gonna just keep going, soldiering on. This stuff was super sticky, and I don't know if it was the brush that I got. I got my brush from Temu that I'm using. It worked very well for the last set I did, but for this set, I don't know, it was like making my brush really sticky and it wasn't really moving the polygel the way I needed to. I had to keep alternating between my wood stick and this, but what you want to do here is really make sure that you're patting that polygel down into the cuticle first and then working the rest of the product down. Don't like push all of it away because you need some of that for your apex, but that's why you want to start by working the product into the cuticle first and then the rest of it down the nail, smoothing it down the nail. But as you can see, it was a little sticky and it was hard for me to blend it, but I still was able to complete the set. But I definitely do want to order myself a new brush. And on this nail, it was so thick I kind of sped through the application because it was giving me a hard time today. But the set came out really cute. Like, I loved it. And those Kuromi charms, I thought they were going to be bigger, but the Kuromi charms are actually like mini Kuromi charms. So thank you, Temu, still, but I do wish they were bigger. Look at how thick that nail is. That nail needs a BBL. That is a big back nail. And I'm gonna unbig the nail, like the nail. I'm gonna take the bulk off, but I was just so mad at how it came out when I was done. It was so bulky, and like it was too much. I was making too much pressure trying to pull the product down with that brush. That brush may be for like that, like the loose extension gel, like the less, I don't know, the looser one. What is that? Just gel extension stuff. Anyway, guys, I don't know what I'm talking about because I'm a polygel girl. But yeah, this doesn't seem like the type of brush for polygel. It seems like it's for the other stuff. These files from Temu are so good. Like, all my files that I bought prior to me buying the files from Temu, I don't even use them. I only use my Temu files, and I'm gonna be ordering more Temu files because I love Temu files. Like, yeah, they do what they're supposed to do, and they really are like more flexible, but they're still like really durable, but they have more flex in them than the other ones that I bought. And the little buffer sponges, the buffer blocks, oh my gosh, so good. I used all of them, even the little purple ones that I wasn't enjoying when I initially did the set for that haul, for my first Temu nail haul. I wasn't really feeling the little square purple small ones, but now I use every like buffer that I ordered from them because they're all good. I'm also going to be having my Temu discount code on the screen throughout this video so you guys can use it for 30% off your first order. And I'm also going to have my other discount codes and products that I used linked in the description box below. Guys, please subscribe and like this video. Although this was hard to work with, I have to say I appreciate how bright this white is. It really does match its name. It's definitely bright white. And I'm going in with my favorite, my UV gloss top coat from Mia Secret. So good. It's really the best one I've ever had, and I'm using it down to the bone. I kind of cured my brush a little. I don't know how, and my brush is like kind of stiff. I don't know how to like make it not stiff anymore. If you could tell me down in the comments below, I'd appreciate that. But I don't know how to fix my brush. Guys, I've only been doing nails for about a year, like, so my nail art is not that good. Like, I'm trying to work on it, so I'm practicing in this video. Like, please don't come for me. I really did do my best, and I was trying to use a steady hand, but I heard the gel paint is better than the gel polish to paint designs, so I may get me some of that. But for now, I'm just using what I have, which are my gel liners from Amazon. Those are also linked in my storefront under my nail items. So yeah, I'm just using this, but don't come for me. This is a learning environment. This is a beginner-friendly zone. And yeah. I just wanted to draw some random kind of 90s inspired / Y2K curved lines and like zebra stripes. I wanted to just make it look like really cute for when I put the junk nails over it. So that's what I'm going for. Kind of like a little 90s / Y2K, but it ended up really Y2K. So that was still good though. This is my favorite color from the Rosalind gel polish set. Oh my god, I love this red. It's a red, but it's showing up like hot pink there because it's really fluorescent. Like the red is banging. But I did the haul for those shades that came in that Rosalind gel polish set. There's also a discount code for the gel polish set if you guys do like the color that you see here. So you guys have to check that out too. But yeah, this polish was banging. I had to add it. I just wanted to use it. I used it like twice as soon as I got the set. Look at us getting somewhere. All right, so I'm liking how this is looking so far, but I definitely do need more practice. Like, I'm gonna give it I'll give Shorty a 6. I'll give her a 6. Actually, that side is giving a 4, but listen, I'm just noticing everything about this set that I didn't do right. Like, how did I file my polygel off? My first finger, where is it? The design is giving what it was supposed to have gave. Like, this is exactly how I wanted it to look. But I know I'm gonna get better, guys. I'm gonna get better. But I'm gonna give myself a little pat on the back for now. I'm gonna be applying this stone with a cart rhinestone glue. I just smeared some down the nails and I'm just placing the charms into it. Look at how cute these stones are. Yeah, I pulled out like 3 different sets of stones and charms that I had for this set, and well, I'm lying. It's probably more than that because those hearts are a whole different pack of charms. Looking back, I definitely should have added more stones, like rhinestones, but I'll do a set like this again. Probably with some long square nails because I want some long square nails next. I got these XL square tips from Temu that I cannot wait to do a set with. I haven't given you guys a long square set in a minute, like, so I have to do that. So now I'm gonna cure these nails and apply some cuticle oil and then bam! Yes, how cute is this? Get into the set. like, comment, and share this video with someone who might like it. Bye, guys.